Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today let me show you a new update for Aimogen, and in the latest version, in the logs and translations menu, you will find a new tab, language pack manager, and this will allow to install and uninstall language packs from the plugin. So until now, these language packs came bundled by default with the plugin zip file, and this made the plugin zip file larger with a couple of megabytes, which is quite a lot in the case of a WordPress plugin. So because of this, I created this language pack manager interface where you will be able to install and uninstall the language packs which you need, and the plugin will not come bundled anymore with language packs. So because of this, if you are using translations in the plugin, be sure to update to the latest version, and after you update, go to the logs and translations menu, language pack manager, and install the language that you need. So if you need French, for example, then install the language pack that you need. You will see that it is installing for a couple of seconds. Afterwards, the page will refresh and you will have your language pack installed and ready for you. So here it is. It is installed now. So if you are no longer using the language pack, you can uninstall it. And I recommend that you install the language, only the language pack which you are using, to not over encumber your hosting space. So this is the latest update for Aimogen. You will be able to use selective language packs and install them and uninstall them which you need. Also, if you want to contribute and create your own language pack for the plugin, if you want to translate Aimogen, you can do this by getting the path file from the plugin zip file in the languages directory. So for this, extract the zip file of the plugin, and you will find the languages directory in the zip file, and there you will find the POT file, which is the source, the template of the translations file. So you will be able to use that file to create your own translation for your own language. If you want, you can send that translation file to me and I will be able to integrate it into Aimogen, so it will be able to be installed from here. So currently French, Russian and Turkish are available for Aimogen. If you want to add more languages, let me know. You can let me know in the comments of this video or by contacting me at this email address, support@coderevolution.ro. Okay, so Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you have suggestions or anything else to say, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, this is all. Bye bye.